Welcome back, guys. Great to be with you again today. Today we're going to look at Cointree. Cointree is an Australian Bitcoin exchange, if you're not aware. They've had a simple, basic way to purchase cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and a few other coins. But now they are implementing a full exchange for altcoins, many altcoins. So we'll go over and have a look at what they're doing. So I'll bring down my video screen and put it up in the corner there so you can still see me. And first of all, we'll go to the email. So they're saying, purchase overhaul. We are happy to announce significant improvements in purchases. Internet mobile banking purchase limits have increased from 5,000 to 20,000. That would be Australian is my guess. So there's an Australian exchange. Actual limits vary per customer. Also, purchases now come with price protection, providing higher confidence when purchasing Bitcoin. And you can go on and further read this from their latest update. Okay, so today we are happy to announce significant improvements, which we've gone over. And so you get this extra protection feature works, checking the market. The price meets expectations at the time of processing a purchase. If the market has moved too much too quickly, as sometimes it does in crypto world, customers will now receive account credit so they can purchase at a time that is right for them. Okay, guys, so they're making it a lot easier, a lot more accessible to the average person. And as a result, the above changes and cash purchase options have been retired due to the low limits and manual processing required. They're still going to have Poly for those who are in Australia. Of course, you understand what Poly is. It's a way to link to a number of the big mainstream banks here in Australia. There is a few that do not allow, so you'll please need to look up that to make sure that your bank allows, so you can get instant purchase and don't have to wait 1 or 2 days before you can make a purchase of cryptocurrency. So that's first up here. And okay, so then now they're starting their trading platform. Their trading platform will be on Cointree.com, whereas their traditional platform for just purchasing your cryptocurrency without really getting in deep trading was on Cointree.com.au. Okay. So we'll just go over some of the benefits. Now, the benefits of getting into their new platform, trading platform, we will welcome you, they say, and we're glad to have you on board. It's an exciting time for digital currency trading. And they're saying that they'll have zero commission and much more coming. All early access members will have zero commission fees trading, so you can go ahead and trade and enjoy until the platform is feature complete. So trade away. So they're not got a deadline on it yet, guys. That's very beneficial if you're a beginner trader, and particularly if you're here in Australia. I highly encourage you to take a look at Cointree. I'll put a link down below so you can go ahead and have a look at this new trading exchange that they're building out here at Cointree, and you get the benefit of zero commission at this time. And here's a roadmap of coming soon. What we'll notice is there's multiple features to come. Buy coin, sell coin, pay bills, all additions that are right around the corner, they're saying. And here's the roadmap. They're going to have coin to coin, altcoin to altcoin withdrawals. One by one, you will be able to enjoy seeing each feature unlock over the coming weeks. So you'll have to wait and come back here to see other features of the roadmap. And so I'll put a direct link to this early access, and so you can read up about this yourself. So they're saying go ahead, explore, experience Cointree growing platform. Each feature is unlocked through a transition process, and we have designed things to be simple, smooth, and a delight to use. As of now, enjoy coin-to-coin trading, they're saying, and we support a heap of your favorite cryptocurrencies with a stack more to come soon. Start tracking your coins daily with fresh portfolio feature. If you haven't already, add a coin account, start trading, and start exploring the dashboard. So I'll put that in the link notes. We'll go ahead. Now I've already logged in here. So of course you'll have to register an account if you haven't already registered an account. And you can go ahead and click I am a beginner if you're currently new to cryptocurrency. So they're really catering for both types of people. So even if you're a beginner or an experienced, and we'll go ahead and click on experience currently in crypto. Cointree is here to make your cryptocurrency trading simple, smooth, and delightful. Our platform allows you to effortlessly trade altcoins and bitcoins alike in fast, secure way, and with unique features such as new daily portfolio tracking. You will enjoy seeing your investments grow, they're saying here at Cointree. And that's some of the benefits, of course. Don't forget the benefit of being able to do your trading for zero commission until they're fully implemented this trading platform. Add a coin account and deposits. So you can go ahead here, watch the video, add your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a Bitcoin Cash account to receive coins. This usually takes 5 to 10 seconds, they're saying. Okay, so you can see that some things are crashing. And it's been crashed at this moment, guys, but as you can see, they're still working on the platform. You can see some of the coins you can buy. You'll be able to buy there. This feature is unavailable, as we said. They're all implementing the features at the moment, but you can get in here, have a look around, and as soon as you can start trading different coins, you'll be able to go ahead through that process until they're fully implemented. And so you can see they've got quite a few different ones here. EOS, Ethereum, and quite a few other different coins that you might be aware of. So anyway, guys, I will put the links in the show notes, and I thank you very much for being here. I will also put a link in for Cointree, just in case you want Cointree to just for the basic side of one. So that's a non-trading marketplace, and you can go ahead and check that out also. We'll just so here you can see their basic platform where you can buy Bitcoin, buy some of the different altcoins that they allow, and this is their basic platform. So you might like to check over also over this. This is their platform they've had for a while, and they've also got a link for better altcoin trading. They got a direct link to what I was just showing you. So anyway, so I'll give you the benefits of both of their platforms, so you can check over, and of course you're going to have the benefits of using their new platform for, I would presume, for at least 2-3 weeks, maybe longer. They haven't really got a time frame there, guys. So, action and getting in there and start using that platform while you can for free. So anyway, guys, until next time, hope you have a wonderful weekend or wonderful time, whatever you're at the time of watching this. And if you are unfamiliar with trading different cryptocurrencies, or if you have found yourself frustrated with trading and you find it difficult to be able to profit from the Bitcoin or profit from the altcoins because of the signals that you've used, or your own charting does not match, and you're finding it hard to get skilled towards becoming a better trader, I'm going to share it with you. Our sponsored link is at Bitcoin Thrive Blazing, and please go ahead and watch the video. This video will share with you how we can help you and support you while you're holding your cryptocurrency to be able to better identify, better effortlessly, and more simply be able to trade between Bitcoin and trade out of Bitcoin, so that you can further gain clarity and build your portfolio, along with building cryptocurrency leads and commissions. I will share that link so you can go ahead and see if that's something that we can support you and help you with. Until next time, we wish you all the best with these platforms, and make sure that you put your name and email in after watching the video, and we look forward to connecting with you and helping you through these processes, and also sharing if you have any more further questions about Cointree. So thanks, guys. Bye for now.